Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder right here. It looks like that. The collection consists of 8 setting powder with a brush. Immediately I opened the box, I was shocked because the color variation is absolutely amazing, because you have the one from dark, you have different shades from dark to the lightest shade right here, so there's something for everyone. So you don't need to mix and match your setting powder or anything. There's enough color for everyone, so I quite like that. Something I noticed about this powder is the fact that it has the smell of the primer. I don't know if you guys have tried that primer before. If you have tried that primer before, then you know what I'm talking about. It has this subtle smell to it, not overpowering, but which is a good thing anyway, because a nice subtle smell to it, which is not very overpowering, which I really like. But apart from that, there are different shades in the package, and this one is the lightest one. It's called Sugar Cookie. This Sugar Cookie is for the lightest. Let's just call it white powder. Actually, this one is pure white powder. So if you're lighter, as in if you're like white, like light, then this is definitely for you. It's called Sugar Cookie. And the next one right here is the next shade, which is called Cupcake. Cupcake is very similar to the first one, but a little, let's say like 2 shades, 2 shades darker, not really dark as well, but 2 shades different from the one that I showed you earlier. And if you actually have the Laura Mercier Invisible Setting Powder, then this is a great dupe for that, or which however you call it, but they look very similar. So that's Cupcake. The next one here is also very similar to Laura Mercier loose setting powder, because there is loose setting powder, there is invisible setting powder. So the loose setting powder is very similar to this one. It's very close to this one. So it's called Pound Cake, and I'm not quite sure about this one. It's called Banana Bread. I like the packaging. It's very sleek and very nice and compact, and it's travel friendly, which is a bonus for me. So this is banana. I don't know if it's okay to swatch it for you guys. If I'm not sure if it's gonna make sense, swatching them for you guys. Oh, I don't even know how to swatch it for you guys, but let's just keep going on. The next one right here is called Blondie. Blondie is a very nice, light shade that has a yellow tone to it at the same time. Compared to the last one that I showed you, this has a tint of yellow to it. So if you are light, or if you are, I don't know how to describe this, but it has a tint of yellow to it. And so you have a shade between the white and the yellow one and the light yellow one. I don't know if that makes sense really, because if you actually compare this one to this one right here, so the next one is this one right here, which is the darker one. So there is actually variations between the 3 shades, which for me is a bonus, because you would be able to pick one that is similar or closer to your skin tone, which is really nice. And the next one that I showed you guys is actually cinnamon. So this one is very close to the black opal one. I don't know if I have it, but the one that I used today is actually called Kofuna. Kofuna is very similar to the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So if you like that yellow tone that the Sacha Buttercup setting powder has, but you want, a more luxurious one, then you definitely go for this one, which is called Kafuna, because this is the one I use right on my face, and I like how it settle down on my skin. There's, it has this soft feel to it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very, very nice one. The darkest one in the pack is the one called Cupcake. It's actually the one that I used to contour. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Coffee Cake is absolutely amazing. If you're my skin like this, it has this invisible thing to it. Okay guys, let me show you guys. Look at that. If you know, it disappears into the skin, which is a very good thing because it gives you that flawless perfect finish. Maybe it's just me, but it's gonna be. But it's a very nice brush to have in your kits if you are like me, that you like to contour and highlight in every makeup look. And just so in conclusion, do I really think the powder is worth buying? I think it's worth buying depending on what you're going for, because for me, I think you have you know, a variety of colors in the collection that there is no doubt you definitely find your shade, which is a bonus for me. That for me is absolutely A+. I mean, the color range is absolutely amazing. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far because it didn't settle on my fine lines or anything, and my contour and highlight, everything blends in smoothly with it. So the brush is really nice because it's a multi-purpose brush and it has this soft feeling to it, which is really good. But I don't know what the price is, so I can't tell you guys if it is worth the price or not. But based on what I've seen so far today, I think it's really worth the hype. But I'm not sure about the price. I don't know what the price is going to be, but it's really worth the hype. It feels so good on the skin, and you guys can already tell from my makeup look that everything looks flawless. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, but guys, what do you think? It disappears completely. I don't know how much powder you want to have on your hand. It disappears completely into the skin. I don't know how she does that, but she did it, which is a good thing. So if you wanna splurge on it, because I know it's gonna be more expensive than, you know, Sacha Buttercups anyway, but if you want to splurge on it, then fine, go ahead and get one and try it for yourself. But as far as I am concerned, I like it. That's it for me, guys. If you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look right here, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
I love the way you kiss, the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths just with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dreams we have since we were wild, and I will never let you go. Kiss the way you rock.